Welcome back, everybody. Just wanted to do another little video of my Encore ROG. Not really the camper, but more so the Griddle. A lot of RV units these days come with these Greystone units, which they're actually pretty nice for what they are. This unit mounts right to the side of the camper, has this aluminum cradle that it goes to. But after going camping this last weekend, I found one thing that I really don't like about this unit: the texture. I have several Blackstone products, and their texture on their cast iron finish is smooth. Look at how irregular this is. And I really noticed it while trying to cook eggs. I mean, there's nothing smooth about this. So I've seen a couple people do it online. I'm going to try to do a little video on this, but my goal is to do a test cook just to show you what it's like now. And then I am going to sand this entire thing down with my angle grinder and a flat disc, really just trying to get a lot of these surface imperfections out, because I really want this to be as smooth as possible. So I'm going to do a little pre-cook on it. So here's what we got. Got my DeWalt angle grinder with a, I think, 40 grit sanding flap disc in it. We're just going to hit it a little bit here. I am not even bothering cleaning this griddle up because sandpaper is pretty much going to clean it for me. We're going to hit it for a little bit and just see what we get. As you can see, there is a lot of surface imperfections in this cast iron, but we're going to go ahead and keep stripping her down and see what we come up with. So I don't know if this step's necessary, but I have a little angle grinder, a little abrasive pad on it. I just tested it there to see, so we're going to go over it again with this. least for the moment, we're done. I used my angle grinder with 240 grit flap discs, and then just because I was at my toolbox and saw it, I ended up using my angle grinder with 2 various grit fiber sanding discs. There are a lot of imperfections in these Greystone griddles. Like I said, it's nothing like my Blackstone was. My goal is to at least get it a little bit smoother and refinish it, because when I used this the first time, everything was sticking to it. So I figured I wanted to sand it down, get it as smooth as I can, and start fresh. You can see there are still a lot of pitting on this. It's currently raining outside right now, so I really can't get it seasoned tonight, but over the next couple days I'm gonna work on reseasoning this. I'll video the process and we'll catch up. All right, it's the next day. Got her all cleaned up. Just getting, yeah, someone left the knob on. That baby sparked up real quick. Got a coating of Crisco shortening on it. Trying to season this, but I really don't have any oil, and I don't want to run to the grocery store. So what I'm going to do, I coated this with Crisco. I'm going to let it heat up nice and hot, let it cook for a little bit. And I think I might have some avocado oil spray that I'm going to end up putting over top of it. Just going to let it cook for a little bit. You can actually already see it is starting to brown up a little bit. But I'm going to do this 2, 3, 4 times just till I get a nice non-stick coating on here. And then we'll do another video cooking on it. Well, not really another video. I'll just add it on to this video cooking just to see if it really made any difference in it. But I really spent maybe 30 minutes on this so far, just trying to get it ready for my next camp trip in a couple weeks. But I'm going to work on getting this seasoned, and I'll join back in with the finished product. Here we are after a second round. At this point, I'm just gonna cook on it. Definitely you can see where the hot spots are, and this front may never fully season just because the burners sit back here, but I'm quite happy with it compared to how it was. So we're gonna get it out, probably cook on it here once or twice at home, and we'll be heading out camping in a couple weeks. So I just wanted to make sure everything was ready. Thanks again for watching another one of my videos, and I hope this helped y'all. If it did, please like and subscribe. Thanks.